Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel ExcelVBA Expert. In today's video, we are going to solve top 5 MIS interview question. So in the first question, you guys can see that I have my required output in the D column, and exactly I want to have in the B column. Okay, so let's solve it. We will solve it in two ways. So I'm writing here left first. We are trying to extracting the first word from the first name. By default, it takes 1. When I pressed left and selected the value, I have not given the number of character I want. Okay, by default it takes 1. So it is coming A C F. So these are the first letter of the first name is coming. In the second column, I am solving it in a separately. I am solving for you guys and for your understanding. Now I want the first letter of the second name. So mid, and now use find or get the space, and within this text start number will be 1 and plus 1, and how many character I want? Only 1. This is what, okay, from the second name we have extracted the first letter. Okay, now just copy it and append it here, you see. Okay, now the question is remaining here to extracting the last name. So what we can do, right here text after. Okay, this is the, no, this is the text, and delimiter will be your space. Instance number I want to extract from the second space, so here instance number should be 2, you see. Okay, this is the first way. This feature, okay, text after, is in the latest version. Okay, this feature is available in the latest version of the Excel. What about if you have some old version? How you can solve it? Okay, here I'm solving. So from left and mid will be exactly same. Here we will not do any changes. Okay, so I explained you how you can do this. As far as about the last name, if you don't have the text after function in your Excel, so how you can do this? Right here, substitute, replace all the spaces with the blank, and get the length of it. For example, now without space the length is 70, and minus with the actual length. Okay, with the actual length means where the space is coming. Okay, now it has given us the number of spaces. For example, if I will drag, so it will give me the number of spaces 2. Okay, and now again use substitute, select this cell. What I want at the rate. Okay, instead of space I want at the rate. The instance number is stored from, instance number is stored in the length function. Okay, from here, the function which helped us to get the number of spaces, right? Press enter. This is what we have got. If show you, so in second space I have my at the rate character which I have given in the function. Okay, now from the beginning what you can do, you can write here find. Okay, find the at the rate in this particular text. Now I will get here the length of the last name, from first and second name. This is the length, and subtract it from the actual length of full name, minus. Now here you will be having the length of the last name. Use right function. I know this is little longer, but this is the way, guys, you see. Okay, now copy it and append it here. The both output is same. You can do this in these ways. Okay, here we have solved in a two way. Okay, if you have any question, you guys can ask me in the comment box, and I will attach this file in the description box. From there you guys can download. Okay, now question number 2. Here in question number 2, I am having here the customer name, and here I have a data in A and B column, right? So in A column I have my names in this way, and D column my lookup value is in this way. So if I will use here simple VLOOKUP, okay, I will be getting the error. Okay, I will be getting the error. You see, I'm getting the error. Now you will, as soon as you will make it correct, okay, like this, you will get your output. But I don't want to change my lookup value. So how I can do? So this is the space of char 10. Char 10 is the space. Okay, so what you can do? First of all, clean your lookup value by substitute. Okay, and old text will be your char 10, and replace it with the space, normal space. This is the lookup value. Now use VLOOKUP here. VLOOKUP. Okay, comma. select both the column 2. See, this is the way you guys can do. Okay, this is the way you guys can do it. Now question number 3. In question number 3, you guys can see what I want here. My question is here, count the cells containing capital letters. Okay, so I am having my A column. In A column I have so many capital letters, so many upper letters not, I would say name. I having same, I mean some names in the capital, some names in the upper, some names in the proper. So only I want to count here how many names I do have in the A column, which, okay, where my all the characters of the name is in the capital. So what I can do, I can write here equal to sum product. Okay, and in the sum product I can use exact function. In exact, select all. Okay, and text, use upper will be your criteria. Okay, okay, now what you can do, I am doing vice versa actually. So what you can do, you can use here upper and this one and press enter. 13. Okay, 13 names in the capital. So how you will check it? So use here upper. Is upper? No, there is no function of upper, right? So how you can do this? I'm telling you how. You can simply check by filter, first, second. Again, only two names I am having here, where all the names, all the character are in the capital. You see, 13 words. The 13 is coming in the D2. Okay, hope this is clear. If you have any question, you guys can ask in the comment box. Okay, question number 4. In the question number 4, you guys can see I am having this total percent summary. So here, this is the raw data. Employee ID I have week 1, week 2, week 3, week 4. Okay, I want to count only how many percent this staff, I mean this employee has in week 1, in week 2, in week 3, in week 4. So what I can do, I can write here sum product. Okay, and my criteria will be this all table. Okay, and P I want to count only. And the next criteria you need to give of the employee ID. Give the employee ID. Okay, this is the employee ID. Next, what you can do, you have to give the criteria of week. This week. Okay, week will be your this one. Okay, this one. Press enter. One, drag it and drag on the right side. You will see that really I have only 1% in week 1. No, Jyoti. Now let's check for the Jyoti. Jyoti is here. Jyoti is here. You see, in week I have 3%. You see, 3%. So what is the problem? What is the problem here? I'm just telling you. Week 1, week 2, week 3. Okay, now let's do it in a normal way. I'm removing the criteria of week. Okay, 17. These are the total percents, but I want to have here the weeks. In first week, how many, how many percents this stuff is. So what you can do, you can take a helping column here as well. Okay, helping column, helping row, not a column. You can write here like this, week 1. This is the simple way. This is the easiest way I am telling you. Okay. 2, 3. This, and without adding helping row, you also can perform it. Okay, I will tell you. Okay, so now give the criteria. Simple. Give the criteria of this row. Press enter. Now you see all the numbers are coming. 17. Okay, so you will be able to see for Jyoti how many percent this stuff has. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4. So 4 is coming in week 4. Let's see in week 4 for Jyoti. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5. So all the 5 days in the week for Jyoti has a PR. So it is coming as a 5. Okay. So hope this is clear, guys. Okay. Let me know in case of in case of any problem and if you have any doubt. Okay, question number 5. This is something which I feel very amazing question here. Here I want to get the age. Okay, but here everything is case sensitive. My name is, Kratika, Kratika, Kratika Bhatnagar. Okay, sorry if I pronounce wrong. Okay, so for Kratika I am having here two names, 13. Okay, and row number 13 and row number 6, but I want to have the exact age of this particular name. So Kratika, here Kratika is the same, this is the name which is existing here, but this name is will not match with this because in the row number 13 this is in the capital or this is in the proper. So let's use here index match. Index. Okay, select the data, right here match true and exact function. For the exact, select it, and this is what you need to select. Okay, then comma 0, comma 2, simple, enter. You see, this is something which is the case sensitive lookup you have done. Now you will say Kratika is coming on the first, this is why it is picking the 13. Now let's move this record on the top. Kratika, move here. So still it is coming as 13. Still it is coming as a 13. The reason being is we have performed here case sensitive index match, that's why. Okay, so hope this is clear guys, and thank you everyone for watching the video, and I will attach this file in the description box. From there you guys can download it for your practice. Okay, so thank you so much everyone.